Who doesn't binge watch their favorite series on Netflix? Or randomly watch videos or streams on YouTube? Some people can even finish an entire season in just one sitting. Some spend hours and hours on their phone or computers watching videos that could be funny, inspirational, educational, or literally any video on any platform. But little did you know that can get paid by doing so? So stay tuned because in this video, I will show you how to earn money by just watching videos online. But before everything else, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. Up to this date, this method has been known to be the most popular and effective approach to generate money online because it's so accessible that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. And it's really easy and ideal for beginners. This strategy is completely free and I'll show you how to use it to make more money online in a few easy steps. So don't skip ahead because if you do, you might miss out on some very important information. Let's move on to the first website. On your search bar, type in grabpoints.com and press enter. Grabpoints.com is one of the first websites where you can earn large amounts of money online. It says right here that you can earn money by watching TV, answering surveys, or completing offers. As a personal preference and what I believe is the best method to make money online is by watching videos, which is literally the point of this entire video, right? Anyway, there's one thing that I really love about GrabPoints, and that is their payout threshold. You can always pay out as little as $5, which is amazing considering how other websites have much higher payout requirements than this one. You can learn as much as you want on this page because everything is explained right here. So feel free to navigate around and find out everything you need to know. I will now show you how to get started by creating a free account and filling out your basic information such as your email address and password. After you're done doing that, click on the Sign Up Now button. So without further ado, allow me to walk you through the entire process after creating a free account. The first thing you'll see here are surveys that you can answer at your leisure, but since we're focusing on watching videos, let's go to the left side of the page where you'll see a different categories titled Surveys, Watches, and Offers. These are the categories that will allow you to make money. And I want you to tap on the Watch section to start viewing videos and earn money immediately. Maybe by now you're thinking that you don't need to finish the entire video since you already know about the website. But you are wrong. There are a few things that can go wrong if you skip the rest of the video, and you could miss out on some very important information. Returning to the website, you'll be taken to this page, which will display as follows. When you hover over the symbols, you can see an overview of the work as well as the information and how many points you can earn and the task instructions. So let's not prolong the waiting and click on one of these. For today, I'll be showing you Lootably. After clicking on the Start button, you'll be redirected to this page where you can see the videos that you can watch to begin your money-making journey, as well as the points that you can earn after performing such tasks. So let's go ahead and watch a video. Just simply click on any one of these videos right here, then you'll be sent to this page where you'll have to sign up again so that your credentials are on their system. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. And if you found this information interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. When you sign up, they'll send you a list of suggestions for videos to watch in order to start earning money. It's impossible for you to become bored since their videos are extremely interesting and entertaining. Some of them can even teach you a lesson or two, and on top of that, you get to earn money. Let me first remind you that this method will not make you a millionaire in a day, so bear that in mind. However, if you complete all the procedures I mentioned, I assure you, you will be able to earn enough money to keep yourself going. With that said, let's move on to the second website. It's called SuperPay.me, which has paid out over $4 million to its users. SuperPay.me is an amazing app because it will pay you 20 cents just for signing up, which is possibly the easiest 20 cents you've ever made in your entire life. Once you've successfully signed up, you'll have access to a variety of sections right here, including the offer walls, which I'll discuss later. For now, allow me to help ease any concerns you may have about this website's legitimacy. I can assure you that I've done a significant amount of research, and this page right here will undoubtedly put your mind at ease on the payment proof section that is shown right here. Thousands of people have been paid with real money from SuperPay, and they present such information with complete transparency, indicating the member's name, the date of payment, the payment type, and even the amount. So, are you now ready to put your name on this website too? Let's get started making some money. All you have to do now is go to the offer walls and find the engagement videos section right here. You'll then be sent to this page where you can view a variety of videos that you can freely choose from to earn money, and yes, you have the complete freedom to find videos that you actually enjoy watching. When you click on the video, they request that you create an account so that they can monitor your activity and pay you according to the number of videos you've watched. Now let me tell you something. A lot of users do not get to earn money because they don't follow these steps that I'm about to tell you. So to make it clear, make sure you sign up for an account on your chosen video right here on hideout.tv so that you will actually have your money. A few seconds to sign up won't hurt, right? So simply sign up, watch a video, and claim your money. You can cash out your payment back on the SuperPay.me page by clicking on the reward section and then click on this one right here that says withdraw cash, and that's it. As easy as 1, 2, 3. We're almost done with our list now that we've reached website number 4, Swagbucks.com. Swagbucks is another well-known and well-established platform for making money online, similar to the previous websites, having been featured in BuzzFeed, ABC, The Huffington Post, and other publications. Swagbucks is a highly legitimate website to earn real money. So how does it work? You can get free gift cards and cash for doing everyday things online, like shopping, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, and taking surveys. But let's just focus on making money by watching videos. The process is pretty much the same as the previous websites, where you simply need to create an account and then proceed from there. After creating an account, you will have access to a variety of videos that you can watch to earn points, so try to earn as many points as possible, because the more points you have, the more money you can earn. You may then claim your cash through PayPal or choose to get gift cards in return. Whatever you choose, you'll be rewarded with real money for accomplishing something so simple. Now you've reached the 5th and the last website in this video. Go to Pickleworkers.com. The Pickleworkers is somewhat different from the others since you'll be visiting numerous websites to make money. But it still offers the same accessibility, convenience, and ease of use. So don't be overwhelmed, because Pickle employees will allow you to earn a lot of money by simply clicking on a web page. These job ads can vary in type. For example, some may ask you to view movies to earn money, while others may only require you to click on a website and you're good to go. I saved the best for last for you guys, because this website is the quickest way to earn money online. Some job operators may only compensate you for a small amount, but the fact is that you just need to surf websites in order to make money quickly and simply. Also, the job offers are new every single day, so you'll never run out of tasks to do, thus making your income limitless with this website. You may also opt to watch videos, as that is our primary topic for the day. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos.